Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen? Meet the Instant Pot Pro, the ultimate kitchen appliance that simplifies your cooking experience. Customers rave about this versatile pressure cooker for its reliability and ease of use. This appliance offers unmatched convenience, cooking delicious meals with minimal effort. It acts as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and more, all in one device. Imagine cutting down your cooking time significantly. Users find that they can whip up fall-off-the-bone chicken in under 30 minutes. Forget about lengthy cooking sessions, the Instant Pot Pro is designed for busy lives. What about cleaning? No worries. This pressure cooker requires just one pot for washing. Its stainless steel insert is easy to clean, making post-meal tidy up a breeze. The flavor? Absolutely incredible. Customers highlight the tender and flavorful meals that result from using this appliance. From savory stews to perfectly cooked rice, every dish comes out delicious. Value for money? It's superb. Many customers affirm that the time and effort saved in the kitchen makes this pressure cooker worth every penny. Now, let's break this down with real experiences. One busy mom shared how the Instant Pot transformed her cooking routine. With twins to feed and a career to manage, this appliance has become her saving grace. She prepares hearty meals with minimal fuss, ensuring her family enjoys nutritious food every day. The learning curve might be a tad intimidating at first, but embrace it. Enjoy experimenting with simple recipes from the included app or popular cookbooks. You'll soon be cooking everything from soups to desserts, and even yogurt. In summary, the Instant Pot Pro is an investment in your kitchen that yields countless benefits. It saves time, reduces meal prep, and enhances the flavors of your meals. Join the many satisfied customers who have revolutionized their cooking journey. Order your Instant Pot Pro today. Fast delivery is available across all 50 US states, ensuring you get this kitchen marvel quickly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you the best reviews and deals every week. Thank you for being part of our community.